Hi everyone, I'm Kai the Koala, and welcome to our Let's Go 2 homework adventure. Today, we'll have fun while working through your workbook together. Don't forget, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video and catch up. Ready? Let's go! Today, we're reviewing Unit 7, Routines. Remember, routines are things that we do often. For example, brushing our teeth, washing our face, eating food, and going to school. In this unit, we learned how to ask questions like, what time is it? And answering those questions. We also talked about the times of the day, like the morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Without further ado, let's get started. On page 57, the directions say trace and write. We are going to use the words in the box to help us answer these questions. Number 1, what time is it? It's 6 o'clock. You know what to do. Let's trace. Great job. In number 2, it says, it's 7 o'clock. It's time for your... Time for bed? It's time for your bath? Or it's time for your it is? Good. The answer is, it's time for your bath. Let's trace and write. Good. Is it Yes. Well, we have time for bed and it is. Oh, in our question, we should ask, is it time for bed? And when we answer, the mom says, yes. It is. Good. Let's trace and write. Great job! Now, what I want you to do for part B is look at the time. What time is it right now? What time is it? Then, you're going to draw the lines on the clock. For example, in my world right now, it is 2 o'clock. So I'll draw a short line to the 2 and a long line to the 12. Then I'll write, it is 2 o'clock. Easy, right? Go ahead and write your answer. Then we'll move on to the next page. On page 58, we're going to use the words in the box on the right side and answer the questions and talk about what this person is doing. For example, in number 1, it says, I get up. Let's go ahead and trace. Now in number 2, let's see what this girl is doing. Oh, she's putting her clothes on. So, I get dressed. Good job. Good job. Let's write. Now in number 3, you guys know what this is. I brush my teeth. Good job. Now in number 4, she is... Good. I wash my face. And in number 5, I comb my hair. Very good. And number 6, what is she doing? Good. I eat breakfast. Yum. Great job. Let's go on to the next page. On page 59 in part B, it says check and write. We're going to look at the questions and you're going to write your answer. For example, do you eat breakfast in the morning? If you do, you're going to check, yes, I do. If you don't, you're going to check, no, I don't. Go ahead and check your answer. For number 2, the question is, do you watch TV in the morning? If you do, you're going to write, yes, I do. If you do not, you're going to write, no, I don't. For numbers 3, 4, and 5, you're going to do the same thing. Read the question and write down your answers. Good job! Everyone's answer will be different, so we're going to move on to the next page. On page 60, we are going to trace and write. Here we see the different times of day and the different things that we can do. For example, watches TV, talks on the phone, studies English, gets up, eats breakfast, takes a bath, does homework, and eats dinner. In number 1, the question is, what does he do in the morning? Let's look at the part where it is the boy. We know it's a boy because the question asks, what does he do in the morning? So we are looking at this bottom row. Now we need to find morning. Here it is. Morning, and the boy, what is he doing? He eats breakfast. Good. Let's trace. In number 2, it says, what does she do in the morning? So we'll look at this top row here and look at morning. Good. She gets up. For numbers 3 and 4, I want you to do the same thing. Look at the row of the boy and the girl and the time of day and see what they're doing. Write down your answers and we'll check them after. Ready to check your answers? In number 3, the question is, what does she do in the afternoon? Well, we're going to find afternoon and she talks on the phone. Good job! For number 4, what does he do in the evening? Okay, well, we found evening. Oh, he does homework. Double check your answers and let's go to the next page. On page 61, we need to look at page 60, part A, to help us write the answers. For example, in number 1, does she take a bath in the afternoon? Well, let's check. She is here. Afternoon is here. So what is she doing? Is she taking a bath? No, she's talking on the phone. So we're going to check, no, she doesn't. For number 2, the question says, does he study English in the afternoon? Let's see. He, afternoon. Yes, he does. So we're going to write, yes, he does. For numbers 3, 4, 5, and 6, you're going to do the same thing. You can do it. Let's go! Welcome back. Let's check your answers. Number 3, does she talk on the phone at night? She, night. No, she doesn't. She watches TV. Number 4, does he take a bath at night? He, night. Yes, he does. And number 5, does she watch TV in the evening? She, evening. No, she eats dinner. And number 6, does he do homework in the evening? He, evening. Yes, he does. Check your answers and we'll move to the next page. For page 62, you're going to do it by yourself. Part A says unscramble and write. Remember, unscramble means take all the letters and put it in the right place. Other words that match. For example, in number 1, you're going to find another word that has O-M-E, like home. H-O-M-E. Easy, right? You can do it. Well, well, well. Another workbook homework completed. Good job today, and I'll see you next time. Bye!